GMOVE and WassaWassa from EthCC in Brussels. In our little interview series, our first guest today is Phil from Henry. So how is your stay in EthCC so far?
Yeah, I mean, it's been good. Met a lot of really cool people. I know Rushi's giving a speech later, so super excited for that. And still a lot left, so excited to see what's to come.
So nice to have you on Integrated Day. Tell us your story, how you came to movement.
Yeah, absolutely. I kind of came up with this idea about 10 months ago or so. I actually had a very TradFi background, but then, kind of realized that a lot of brands wanted Web3 solutions for a lot of their problems. Didn't really know where to start. I knew Rushi from high school, from middle school, and I hit him up and I'm like, where do I start? Right? And he goes, you should build something on movement, right? And I was like, okay, let's see what this is all about, right? I dug a little deeper, kind of realized that I think the Move language really is the future. I think that not only is the technology super enabling, super easy to work with, but on top of that, I think movement has, one of the best communities out there. Obviously with the Guerrilla Movers, one of the most passionate communities out there I've ever seen. And of course, for any application layer company, getting from 0 to 1, getting those first few users is the hardest part. Right? And I think that, the movement community has really kind of helped us get that in a very easy sense that allows us to really focus on product instead of worrying about how we're going to get from 0 to 1. So, for that, really thankful for the movement community.
Amazing. So tell us maybe in some short sentences what Henry is about. I mean, we Guerrilla Movers are already into Henry, but maybe you can just summarize in some short sentences for anybody who didn't hear about Henry yet. What is Henry about?
Yeah. Absolutely. So what we're really trying to do at Henry is onboard the next tranche of Web2 users into Web3 through commerce. And our thinking there is very simple. What does everyone have in common, regardless of whether they're in Web2 or Web3? And it's that everybody shops, everybody has their needs, and everybody needs to buy things, right? And so what we're trying to do is build products that seamlessly integrate with the shopping experience for everyday people to really kind of introduce a new tranche of users into Web3 and kind of get them to better understand what the potential is. And so currently we have our first platform out there. It's called Henry Lux Rewards. We're launching our beta soon, so stay tuned for that. And it's essentially a cashback platform that allows you to get cashback on your everyday purchases. So for example, you go on the Nike website, right? All you do is go through your normal checkout process. Our Chrome extension will pop up, click activate cashback, and then automatically you'll get between 5 and 50% in cashback deposited straight into your wallet. So that's a basic summary of Henry.
Amazing. And thank you so far for joining this short interview. And I hope you enjoy your stay.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me.
We will see each other probably in Discord again.
Yeah, absolutely. Excited.
Thank you. So we welcome Jose from Interest Protocol on EthCC. Jose, share with us how was your experience so far on EthCC? What did you like the most?
Well, the experience has been great so far. It's my first time in Brussels, so I got to enjoy the city, try the famous dishes, see the cathedral and the main buildings. In terms of events, I mainly came for the Integrated Day. It has been awesome. I met the Guerrilla Movers guys, beyond expectations. I met the Movementlabs teams. We talked about the upcoming testnet. We're all very excited.
So tell us a little bit more how you came to the movement ecosystem, how you got to it, and what do you like about it?
Yeah, we've been in movement for a while. Actually, Cooper and Rushi and Movementlabs, we were on the same incubator by Gotbit. That's how I met them. And it was really cool to meet fellow Move builders. We were the only ones using Move. Then they pivoted to become a full layer 2, and we decided we have to be with them. We like their personality, we like the mission of addressing the security issues on AVM via Move, and they're just really cool people, great community to be a part of.
Amazing. Then maybe you can just explain in some short sentences what Interest Protocol is about and what the users can expect from that.
Thank you for the opportunity. Interest Protocol is a DeFi hub, so imagine everything from swapping, adding liquidity, removing liquidity, creating tokens, easily do an airdrop, no code, and just farming, getting the yield. It's all your DeFi needs in one platform. And you're going to be live on the Movement testnet, so come check it out to earn some points.
Okay, then thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your stay in Brussels and Europe so far.
Thank you, it's been awesome, guys. Enjoy it.
Thanks. Matt from Omni, one of our ecosystem partners. Matt, tell us, how was your experience in Brussels so far? Did you grab already some Belgish beers and Belgish fries?
Yeah, it's been great so far. It's a great atmosphere, and lots of new people to meet. Overall, it's been tremendous. And as for the Belgian beers, I've definitely tried a couple. It's been great, and happy to be here. I appreciate you guys taking the time to do the interview.
Amazing. So I think some of the movement users already know Omni. They received a pretty decent airdrop as a partner. Maybe you can just tell us what is Omni all about, so people can get a better image, so if somebody didn't hear so far about you.
Yeah, definitely, and super glad to hear you guys are happy with the airdrop. We tried to engage lots of different communities, so it's definitely refreshing to hear. And then in terms of Omni, we are a layer 1 blockchain on the Ethereum network, and we're building at the, I guess I should say, we're trying to solve liquidity fragmentation. Essentially what that looks like is allowing developers or different layer 2 applications to access the liquidity and user base that sit amongst other layer 2s without having to manage the multiple deployments and sort of fragment their efforts in terms of development.
Amazing. So do you have any more plans to come with Movement? Do you have something like a vision, or you can share with the community?
Without spoiling too much, I know that the Movement team is filled with great people, and we're excited to continue working closely together. I'm sure that there's going to be some great things for us that we spin up in the future.
That's amazing, thanks. And I think the Gorilla Movers are already supporting Omni as well. And we hope to go the journey with you. Then thank you for your come to our little interview, and I hope you enjoy your stay in Brussels.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks very much. I appreciate it, and go Gorilla Movers.
GMOVE.
Awesome.
So we welcome Alex from MovePosition. How did you stay? How was your stay in EthCC so far? Did you like it?
It's been great. Belgium's a cool place. This is my first conference I've been to in Europe, actually. I've been to conferences all over the world. And I think Brussels has a certain energy to it. There's also a different group of people here than I normally see. There's like sort of there's a group that go to all the different conferences, and in each place there's like a little bit of a different group, but I'm enjoying the Europeans that we don't normally have at all the conferences. So also good frites, Yeah.
Did you already grab some Belgish beer and fries so far?
I have had a bunch of fries. I've been in Belgium for a few days already. I was in Bruges first, I've had fries, but not enough. I don't think you can ever have enough fries, right?
True. Nice. So then maybe just tell our audience how you came to Movement, to the ecosystem, and what you are so excited about.
Yes, it's interesting. I actually met Coop maybe not 2 years ago, maybe a year ago now, before Movement was a thing yet. He reached out to me because we went to the same university, and he's a lot younger than me and was just graduating, and he was trying to get me involved in the blockchain club at the university that we went to. And then I just ran into him months later, and Movement had just gotten funded, and it was, I thought it was interesting because I think Move language makes a lot of sense, and we built on Aptus as well, and bringing Move to EVM makes all the sense in the world to me, and just the team is amazing. It's a good group of people. They're doing a really good job getting developers on board too, and so excited to be here.
Nice. So you're experiencing the good vibes on Movement already as well?
There's great vibes on Movement.
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely.
We met in the Movement chat.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
And so maybe give our audience some idea what we can expect from your product, how we can users profit from your product.
Totally. So MovePosition is building a very advanced, high-fidelity DeFi money market for movement. Basically, what it is it's an advanced way of doing risk modeling to where current money markets in crypto use very static and crude models. You know, you get 80% max TVL for your ETH or whatever it might be, and that doesn't really make sense. It's not how traditional finance works, and traditional finance has been solving these problems for a long time. So we took best-in-class risk modeling and are applying that to crypto. So it's a money market that it basically values your entire portfolio as opposed to evaluating individual positions. And with that, it brings a lot more asset safety. There's less risk of liquidations. Actually, I was looking at our product on Aptos yesterday or a couple days ago, and like the market just took a huge crash, right? And I have a really big position on there, and I wasn't liquidated at all because the way that our product's built, it's like assessing, 180-day moving averages for both assets and liabilities in the portfolio, so it didn't require that. So we're bringing that. There'll be multiply functionality, and then there's some other really cool partnerships we're about to announce, which are a little hush-hush right now, but we're bringing some super exciting stuff to Movement.
Amazing. Very excited to see you on testnet so far.
Yeah.
When it comes once, and
we're already there. We're on the private testnet right now.
Yeah. So once it's on public.
I think it's coming soon.
Yeah. I heard that as well.
Yeah.
Nice. So you have anything to tell the community?
If anybody wants to chat, we love to partner with people, love talking to users, getting feedback, please reach out. We're here. I'm AHOXX on Twitter and on Telegram. Feel free to reach out to me.
Amazing. Thank you. So enjoy your stay.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We welcome Craesol from the movement team. A huge honor for us. Craesol, how did you enjoy Brussels and EthCC so far?
Well, so far so good, really. It's been great to come to meet you guys, and also to get to meet some of my colleagues live, right? It's funny, when you work from home, that you get to work for a long time. So many I work with somebody and you don't get to meet them in person. So I'm really glad to be here and meet everyone live, and also get to listen to the talks today.
Amazing. So did you meet them the first time today?
Yeah, exactly. So it's literally we may have spent some hours in calls together every week, and the first time we are in the same room, and it's really awesome. It's really cool.
Amazing. Very glad you made it to Brussels. Maybe tell us how you came to the movement team, and what's your position and what you are doing at the movement.
Yeah, so I got into crypto in around 2020 through quite cool company was called Leyline back then, and I met some of the people who is currently working in movement, Will and others. So it was really thanks to them that I got involved into Movement Day. And I'm working as guild master as part of the community and marketing team, and really glad what's being built, it's the vision and the company and the Cooper has about the guilds, and really having a great time trying to build this together with Merck and the others, and you guys as key elements of the community.
Amazing. Very, very nice to hear that. Do you have something you want to tell our audience, like the Guerrilla Movers?
Well, so it's like just the beginning. It's like a lot to be done. It's a lot of fun to have. So, guys, fucking move.
GMOVE. GMOVE and WassaWassa. We have a very special guest today, Rushi. Rushi, tell us what is your experience in EthCC and Brussels so far?
Hey man, thanks for having me, and really appreciate you guys coming out and seeing the movement community here is really heartwarming. I think Brussels has been really pretty good. Obviously very exhausting running between things, but it's always good to make time for partners and community and try to do our best to bring movement to the forefront.
Yeah, amazing to meet you here. Do you have something you want to share with the community, like want to share to the guerrilla movers and all the movement ecosystem?
Yeah, so I think the movie ecosystem is really blowing up. We have over 8 teams that have closed rounds and raised financing. So we're excited to announce these fundraisers in the next few weeks. But I think more so what we're really seeing is like this new developer language take foothold. Move has always been kind of interesting to people, but people in Ethereum or other ecosystems really care about it. And today, for the first time, they can use Move on Ethereum, on Cosmos, on other ecosystems, and really take the next level. And we're super excited to be at the forefront of that.
Amazing. And do you want to share something which we can look forward to, or what the movers can be excited about in the next weeks, months?
We have testnet coming up in the next few weeks, which is exciting for everyone using it, and we're excited to announce all the apps that we have live and the experience. We just announced Up Network, which is the first movement phone, mobile phone for you guys to check out and test out all the movement apps, and that's coming to market pretty soon. So exciting few weeks for us at Movement.
Amazing. Yeah, we are very excited about that one. And thank you very much for joining us for that quick chat.
Thank you guys so much, and GMOVE and WassaWassa.
GMOVE and WassaWassa.
Thanks so much, guys.